What if I told you that these ads were made using just ChatGPT 4.0 and zero editing skills? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple product into a full video ad with AI, start to finish. No editing, no camera, no stress. Let's go. Alright, to create the ad, we'll follow 4 simple steps. Let's start with the first one. Take a clear image of your product using just your phone. For practice, I'm using a Coca-Cola product image I found online. Once you have your product image ready, we'll move on to step 2, turning it into a stylish ad image. Now, there are 2 ways to do this. The first option is to describe the style you want in your prompt. The second option is to find an ad image you like, and we'll use it as a reference to make your product look just like that. So now, let's dive into the first option, transforming your product into a stylish ad image using just a prompt. To do this, open ChatGPT, make sure you're using the ChatGPT 4.0 model, and select the Create Image tool. Upload your prepared product image, then write a prompt describing the style you want for your product. For example, I told ChatGPT 4.0, create a cold and refreshing vibe. Add water droplets and light condensation to the product. Place it on a concrete surface with natural shadows and bright lighting, top-down angle, minimalist style. And just like that, we let ChatGPT work its magic. Check out the generated image. Wow. It's 100% realistic and stylish. Amazing, right? Now, let's try another prompt. This time, I asked, generate a dark background image with cinematic lighting. Use a matte black backdrop, high contrast, and a spotlight effect. Add soft smoke or glow for a dramatic, edgy product ad look. And here's the result. You wouldn't believe this is AI generated, just look at the clarity of the text. Creating images like this used to take hours, but now it's done in just a minute with one prompt. Incredible, right? Alright, now let's take it up a notch and create something even more interesting. Let's add a model to our product. Upload the product image, and then write a prompt like this, show a female model holding the product in a modern indoor setting. Use soft studio lighting, a clean background, a fashion-forward outfit, and cinematic depth of field. Make it look like a high-end brand shoot. Here's the result. Look at this, our product is now being held by a model, and it looks so real. We'll take this image and turn it into a video. Now, let's move on to the second option, using a reference ad image. Start by finding some ad designs on Pinterest, like I did. I've selected these 2 images from Pinterest, and we're going to apply the style from these images to our product. To do this, first, upload the image of your product. Then, upload the reference image you want to use as inspiration for the style. After that, add a prompt like this, image 1 is my product. I want it to look like the style in this reference image too. Replace the product in the reference with mine and match the lighting, mood, and background. Make sure to change the vibe to a Coca-Cola drink vibe. And here's the result. Look at this, it's exactly the same style, just with our product swapped in. This is truly incredible. As you can see, our product is red, and the background is blue. To change the background to the Coca-Cola drink vibe, I wrote this prompt, change the background vibe color into Coca-Cola drink vibe, please. And check this out, look at the amazing image we created in just 1 minute. Now, let's try another reference image. I want to apply this style to my product. Upload both the product and reference images, and then add this prompt, image 1 is my product. I want it to look like the style in this reference image too. Replace the product in the reference with mine and match the lighting, mood, and background. Make sure to change the lemon to another fruit related to a Coca-Cola drink. And here's the result. Wow, it's amazing. As you can see, it even brought in the text from the reference image. Let's remove that text by adding this prompt, remove text above and below the product, please. And here's the final result, look how incredible it is. Making these ad images in just minutes is truly unbelievable. Now, let's move on to the third step, which is generating a prompt that can change the images into amazing ad videos. To do that, first, download the images, then re-upload them. Add this prompt, Write a cinematic video prompt for Sora AI to turn this styled image into a 10-second product ad with smooth camera movement and clean transitions. And boom, here's the prompt ChatGPT crafted to turn our images into a video. Alright, now that we have our prompts, let's move on to the final step, turning the image into a video. To do this, we'll use the Runway AI video generator. Click the link in the description, and it'll take you to this page. Click Get Started, then log in with your Google account, and you're in. Once you're in, click Generate Video on the left sidebar, then select Asset and upload your image. Next, take the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt section. Set the model to Gen 4 Turbo, then choose the time, you can set it to 10 seconds. Pick the ratio you want, hit Generate, and wait for a moment. And here's the result. Wow, isn't it amazing? Now, let's test another one following the same process, and here's the result. Wow, this is truly incredible. Now, without wasting any more time, you can create stunning ad images and videos for your product in just minutes. That's it for our video. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, and to get more tutorials like this, join us today. See you next time, keep innovating and have a great day.